King of the road, trailer for sailoring.
Simple tricks to create amazing giant effect. Step 1. Record the building and you jumping in front of it. Record the building by itself. Then jump in front of the camera. Step 2. Create a giant effect with PIP and mask tool. Import your video. Freeze when there's only building in the video. Delete other parts. And keep only the clip of building. Add your video again in PIP. Click to make video full screen. Mask the body part in front of the building to create the effect of walking behind it.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring.